Here we are in Laughlin, Nevada, at the Tropicana Express, formerly the Ramada Express. I like it better when it was the Ramada Express. They had a train before, and now nothing of that sort. But anyway, it's 4th of July, 2013, and we're waiting for the fireworks. You can see down there's a Colorado Bell. The fireworks are on the other side, on the Arizona side, directly behind the Colorado Bell. So we're waiting for it. It should start in a few minutes, but I'm not going to record all this downtime. So we're going to give it a minute here. I'm going to pause you guys, and away it goes. And there's somebody flashing a laser over here, a blue laser, weirdly enough. But anyway, I'll continue recording once the show begins. All right. That looks nice right there, huh? The window's shaking. Both. Car alarms going off. Ooh, that was a nice one. God bless America. What was it, 237th birthday? Is that what they were saying? Bad American, I don't know my math. Was it 237?
I don't know what you're talking about.
To you.
Oh, okay, something like that.
You guys look like little mushrooms. I like that.
All the car alarms going
Oh yeah. Down at the Colorado Bell parking lot. A whole bunch of alarms over here on our side, not so much. One car over here. Tropicana Express, 22nd floor. Perfect view. Don't need to kill ourselves in that 110 degree weather out there. Even at 9 p.m. at night.
I do love mushrooms.
Delicious.
There's a fire down there? What the fuck?
Oh yeah, there's a fire down there. Look at that. Holy jeeblies. There is indeed a fire that began right down there. That's on the other side of the river.
Is it on the building or what is that?
No, it's on the... I'm not sure. There's something burning over there. It look... Wait,
It looks like the building.
uh-oh. The heck? I'm not sure what's happening here, guys. I don't know if that's part of the show or...
Don't.
But it looks like the Colorado Bell's burning on the riverside. But we can't see from this side.
You would see people evacuating that way.
Well, I saw a river police, like boat, going over there. I'm not sure what's going on, guys. No idea. I'll try to see if we can walk over there tomorrow and see if there's any burning boats.
I don't know, but that fire looks pretty big.
It does look like a big fire. Interesting. You can see it's going to be back here.
Better not cancel Saturday.
We're due to have another fireworks show on Saturday. But that remains to be seen after this. Oh, lordy, look
Yeah,
at that.
what the fuck?
What is going on over there? That seems to be a big fire. Oh my god. There's a little brush fire as well. And then another one. I'll zoom in on this so you guys can see. Brush fire on the Arizona side. Another one over there on the Arizona side as well. Sorry, my camera's not focusing 100%. But there are fires now, guys. Beautiful firework display, but you got some dangers going on over there. You can see that's the riverboat cop. Yeah, something's burning, guys. Something is massively burning over there. I'm not sure what's going on. Oh my goodness.
Isn't that it was all river?
It is.
And in the parking lot, I thought there was like no bushes or anything.
No, there's bushes on the Arizona side. Yeah, there's bushes over there. There's nothing. There's no buildings. There's nothing. There's nothing going on over
The
there.
one closest to us doesn't look like it's on the river. It looks like it's on the building.
Yeah, the one on the other side of the Colorado Bell looks to be on the Nevada side.
Because
The other fires are over on the Arizona side.
don't you think it's the building burning? Because look how tall the fire would have to be if it was.
That's true. If it was on the Nevada
Yeah.
side, that would have to be a huge fire to clear the building.
How come it was like cleared out?
This is interesting. But the fireworks are beautiful. At least there's that. Oh my goodness. Alrighty then. Keep in mind, guys, it's about 110 degrees out there at 9. Well, by now it's 9:15. So very easily catches fire, and I hear a fire truck coming, but I don't see it right now. And it seems like this might be the finale.
Shouldn't they have had a fire truck like on hand?
Actually, I think what I hear is the riverboat
Oh, yeah,
fireboat?
I
I don't know.
Yeah, I see it.
This might be the last we hear of a fireworks show on the river. Yes. I'll try to get video of any damage bright and early in the morning on the Colorado side and see what was burning. Update to follow. We'll catch the end of this first. They have the little one over to the far left controlled, and then they have the one in front of the Colorado Bell on the Nevada side. That one's still burning. And it seems like the one on the other end of the Colorado Bell, right in the middle of the backside, like that's under control as well. But more drama than we expected, that's for sure. There's a fire truck on the Colorado Bell side right there, pulling up right next to the bell.
Well, I don't know why they didn't have them like ready. Just
There seems
oh, that fire's still going
that
on.
fire is still going. It's traveled more towards the front of the Colorado Bell, and that's only because there is a wind that's going on right now over here.
Babe, I honestly think it's like on the roof of the Colorado Bell.
I'm not too sure if it's on the roof or not, but again, beautiful display, just dangerous because it's so hot and windy. Yeah, more than we expected for sure. This is our first time coming here for 4th of July, so I'm not sure if this is something, you know, to be expected or not. I have no idea.
Look, the fire is reaching like almost the whole entire length. Look.
Yeah, now we have another fire that's heading towards the rear of the bell, if I'm not mistaken. So it's in the middle, and the rear, and the front. Yeah, something's going on. Because that fire looks to be on the Nevada side again. I'm repeating myself, but this is a pretty big fire because that's a what? At least like a 6-story building, the Colorado Bell. So if it's on our side, the Nevada side, that's a big fire. Yeah, you can see 2 individual fires unless they're connected, but we can't tell from our vantage point.
And aren't people supposed to be like standing there though, watching it? I didn't see anyone evacuate.
Yeah, there's fires going on. I guess if there's a Saturday show, we should watch it from the Arizona side. Oh yeah. Now that's a show right there. That's beautiful. Yeah. We got fireworks. We got destruction of private property. car alarms going off like crazy. And just to cover the surrounding area so you guys can kind of get an idea of how high we are. Here's the front building of the Tropicana, the pool area. Out to our right is a Pioneer. And Golden Nugget all the way to the right. Back around. Got the Edgewater. Left is Aquarius, and that tall white building over all the way to the far left is Riverside. 22 floors up, and the fire is still burning. So, like I said, we'll have an update and see what happened tomorrow, bright and early. Alright, thank you for checking out the video.